What is the ADKAR change model? The ADKAR model is a 5-step framework that is used to manage change in an organization. It focuses on 5 key elements necessary for successful change. Following these steps will help guide your organization through the process of change effectively. Let's take a look at the 5 elements in more detail. The first step is awareness. The goal of this stage is making sure people understand and are aware of why the change is needed. Some key activities include discussing the reason for change, the risks faced if the change doesn't happen, and the benefits of the change. The next step is desire. The goal of this stage is ensuring people want to participate and support the change. Some key activities include addressing personal motivations, managing resistance, and highlighting positive impact it will have on individuals. Next, we have the knowledge stage. The goal of this is to provide the team with information on how they can help implement the change. Some key activities include offering individual training, relevant resources, and education for personal growth. The next stage is ability. The goal of this stage is giving people the skills and tools needed to implement the change. Some key activities include providing coaching and support to the team, offering practice and giving regular feedback to build confidence. Now we have the reinforcement stage. The goal of this stage is ensuring the change sticks through support and recognition. Some key activities include measuring change and progress, rewarding good behaviors, and making adjustments when needed. Let's have a look at the benefits of the ADKAR model. Individual focus. The ADKAR model emphasizes the importance of addressing change at the individual level, recognizing that successful organizational change occurs when each person makes a transition. Identifies barriers. ADKAR helps in identifying specific barriers to change by breaking down the process into 5 clear stages. This allows for targeted interventions to address and overcome obstacles. Measurable outcomes. Each stage of the ADKAR model has measurable outcomes, enabling organizations to track progress and determine where additional support is needed. Enhances communication. By clarifying the stages of change, ADKAR improves communication between leadership, change managers, and employees. This ensures everyone understands their role and the reasons behind the change. Facilitates training. ADKAR helps organizations identify specific knowledge and skills that employees need to acquire to adapt to the change, making training more effective. Customizable. The ADKAR model is versatile and can be customized to fit various types of changes, industries, and organizational cultures, making it widely applicable. Problem solving. By using the ADKAR model, organizations can anticipate and address issues before they become a significant problem. This reduces resistance and increases the likelihood of successful change implementation. Sustainable change. The reinforcement stage ensures that changes are sustained over time, by implementing mechanisms to maintain the new behaviors and processes. In summary, the ADKAR change model helps guide individuals and organizations through the process of change, ensuring each aspect is addressed to achieve successful and sustainable change outcomes.